Learn with me. Let's learn am, is and are. 1. Am is used only with I. Example, I am happy. 2. Is used with he, she, it or any singular noun. Examples, he is a good friend. That book is interesting. 3. Are is used with they, we, you or any plural noun. Examples, they are good students. Those books are on the shelf. Was and were. Was and were are used to talk about something that happened in the past. 1. Was is used with I, he, she, it or any singular noun. For example, I was at the party yesterday. The baby was sleeping on the couch. 2. Were is used with you, we, they or any plural noun. Examples, you were brave during the game. The kids were playing in the garden. Has and have. Has and had are used to indicate possession or something that will happen in the near future. They are used to show ownership when something belongs to someone. 1. Has is used with singular nouns or pronouns like he, she, it. For example, she has a new dress. It has shiny fur. 2. Have is used with plural nouns or pronouns like we, they, you and I. Examples, we have 2 dogs. I have a new book. Chapter 14, Adverbs. Learn with me. Understanding adverbs. Adverbs describe how, when, where or how often an action happens. They provide more information about verbs. Examples, John ran quickly to catch the bus. Quickly tells us how John ran. 2. She sings beautifully. Beautifully tells us how she sings. The dog barked loudly at the stranger. Loudly tells us how the dog barked. Types of adverbs. There are many types of adverbs, some of which are discussed below. Adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner describe how an action is performed. They often end in ly and come right after the verb. Examples, the dog barked loudly at the stranger. Loudly shows how the dog barked. She finished her homework quickly. Quickly shows how she finished her homework. He walked carefully on the snowy road. Carefully shows how he walked. Adverbs of manner add detail to a sentence, making sentences more interesting and clearer. Learn with me. Adverbs of place. Adverbs of place tell us where an action happens. Examples, the kids are playing outside. Outside tells us where the kids are playing. She went upstairs to her room. Upstairs tells us where she went. He searched everywhere for his lost keys. Everywhere tells us where he looked for his keys. Common adverbs of place include here, there, inside, outside, upstairs, downstairs. Learn with me. Adverbs of time. Adverbs of time tell us when an action happened. Examples, she will come tomorrow. Tomorrow tells us when she will come. I visited my grandparents yesterday. Yesterday tells us when the visit occurred. We will go to the park later. Later tells us when we will go to the park. Common adverbs of time include yesterday, today, tomorrow, soon, later. Adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency tell us how often an action happens. Example, I always brush my teeth before going to bed. Always tells us how often I brush my teeth. We often go to the beach during the summer. Often tells us how frequently we visit the beach. She never eats junk food. Never tells us how often she eats junk food. Common adverbs of frequency include always, never, often, sometimes, rarely. Learn with me. Adverbs of degree. Adverbs of degree tell us how much or to what extent something is done. They modify adjectives, verbs, or other adverbs. For example, I'm very excited about the trip. Very tells us how much I am excited. 2. The soup is too hot to eat. 2 tells us to what extent the soup is hot. She is extremely happy with her results. Extremely tells us how much she is happy. Common adverbs of degree include very, to, quite, extremely, nearly, almost.